What if I told you there's an all-natural, non-surgical orthopedic treatment out there that can help you get rid of your pain? What if I told you in many ways it's better than drugs like Advil, Tylenol, cortisone shots, or other pharmaceutical medications? I'm here to talk with you today about platelet rich plasma injections, also known as PRP. PRP comes from your own blood and contains many growth factors that can help regenerate ligaments, tendons, bone, cartilage, muscles, nerves. It taps into a healing mechanism that your body already understands. Say I was in a car wreck and I lacerated my arm and I'm bleeding profusely. The first thing our body would try to do is stop the bleeding. Platelets would aggregate at the site of injury, and then this would help your blood vessels clot so you wouldn't bleed to death. And then we know over the next weeks to months, our body has an amazing ability to help regenerate ligaments, tendons, bone, cartilage, nerves. And PRP taps into that. You can go on our website at www.strengthdoctor.com, and we've got multiple literature articles on there showing you how PRP can help regenerate a shoulder, low back, knee injury, and help you get out of pain. During a normal appointment for PRP, we start out by doing a full health consultation. I then follow that up with a physical exam, and then I'll be assessing any pain generators I can find. After that, I follow that up with an ultrasound exam where I'm going to be investigating any pathology that I think we need to take a further look at. We then have a discussion and create a plan for treatment. The treatment itself begins with a blood draw from your arm, and then we take that sample and then I centrifuge that, and that separates out the platelet rich plasma from your red blood cells. We then take the platelet rich plasma and inject that into the area of focus under ultrasound guidance. The procedure itself only takes a couple minutes. The longest part of the appointment is doing the intake as well as separating out your platelet rich plasma in the centrifuge. You are free to go home the same day, and aftercare instructions are always given, which goes over how long to rest and information on the recovery process. We always recommend following up PRP with physical therapy. We have a large network of physical therapists in the valley that we can refer you to if you don't already have a PT. And the cost of PRP. PRP at our clinic is usually under $1,000. It depends where we're injecting and how much PRP is used. Treatment efficacy. Normally in about 80% of our patients we see a 50% reduction in pain levels just after one round, as long as our patient is immunologically and metabolically healthy and they don't have any blood clotting disorders. Multiple rounds of PRP can be necessary to get a patient's pain levels down significantly. It's best to refrain from any NSAIDs, Advil, ibuprofen, Excedrin, Motrin, or anti-clotting medications from your cardiologist weeks before coming in, say 14 days before coming in. These interfere with PRP's effectiveness. However, I must state, do not ever alter any medication regime without first talking to your primary care doctor and your cardiologist, particularly your cardiologist. If you're in Arizona and you'd like to schedule an appointment with me, you can go onto our website, www.strengthdoctor.com, and we've got our email and office number at the very bottom of the main page. You can reach out to us through either one of those, and we can get you set up with an appointment. We are in Tempe, Arizona, just outside of Phoenix. If you're not in Arizona, however, you'd still like to work with me, we can actually help you optimize your micronutrition and your hormones naturally through telemedicine. You can go onto our website, click on the shop tab, and then the blood work button, actually order a blood work testing kit through there. We can have that shipped to you pretty much anywhere in the U.S. and work with you that way. Also on our website, I want to mention, if you click on the shop tab and the supplement button, you can have access to our online Strength Doctor dispensary and begin ordering pharmaceutical grade supplements within a couple minutes after creating an account. On there you can also see the supplements that I personally take daily as well. Thank you so much for listening. I look forward to hearing from you.